In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy method on how to export your video from CapCut in only 1 minute. So better keep watching till the end. Let's get started. So let's say that this is the video that we want to export. We're gonna go to this blue button where it says export and click on it. Then we're gonna choose the resolution of our video, which means the quality, if it's MP3 or MOV. We have to click the audio so the video is exported with sound. If it's a GIF, you have to click it also, but it's not the case here. Then here we can choose where we want the exportation to be, which means where we want to find our videos. Let's leave it to the CapCut videos. Then we're gonna just hit export. I hope this guide was helpful. If it is, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thanks for watching.